Unong yalam kaliang persya kaying dorbar thau ain ka jilla u Dr. MUKUL sangma menta ka sngiula PYNREM JUR HALOR ka JINGSHAH THOMBOR ki NONGSHONG SHNONG ha MALANGGONA da ka bau loong habayu iya ka ka baja lengba ki video ki bala sapriang state ba ki social media bagi pait ba ha MALANGGONA kila syak pendek ha ki bor pulit Assam. Habakran sikilat pathai khubor u Dr. MUKUL uloong bakade ka kamram jong ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam bakin khot ka jing ekran ban weng kini ki jing bat ban pentikna baki pait ba kimdei ban sha penwet lani sha nyon ben ha ki bor jong ka ain susu ula banjur ru da ka baong baka sarkar ka diban sim ka jingkit khli namar baka ka baja ka long persya ki ret pan ka jing kran klam akor ki rew kan thei baka jing pen khen ka hok long brew.
I also was, my attention was also drawn when I saw the video which was captured and was passed on. The responsibility of both the states is to ensure that we do not create any situation wherein our citizens have the reason to have sense of insecurity. This responsibility lies with both the state governments. Okay, and this issue has been discussed in 2010 and agreed mutually to ensure that there is no situation created by anybody from either from the side of the state of Meghalaya or from the side of the state of Assam, so that the citizens residing in those areas of difference are not subjected to have any kind of sense of insecurity. Forget about the kind of scene that you have seen yesterday, which require to be taken cognizance of by the state of Meghalaya, and they should have an immediate meeting between the two states. We must prevent any such incident from now on. And please remember, this population which they are targeting belongs to scheduled tribe. There are many laws passed by the parliament. Prevention of atrocities against STs and SCs. Plus, many laws preventing women from any high-handedness. And also the question of the responsibility of any government to respect the human rights. If you see in the whatever visuals are available in the video captured, you see that there is an abuse of human rights, and there is an intentional and deliberate attempt to infuse a sense of insecurity and fear amongst the tribal population, which is a violation of the relevant provisions of the law passed by the parliament to protect the STs and SCs. And there are, please remember, there are non-bailable sections, and also attempt to have the kind of abusive languages against women. These are all condemnable, and I condemn the action of the authorities from our counterpart. And state government must call for an immediate meeting to ensure that this kind of exercise along the border does not get repeated.